Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Trading 212 referral link. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 application. Afterwards, you need to simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here by default, you will be on the home page, but you need to tap on these three lines in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, the very first option that you are going to see is of get a reward. So when you tap on this particular option, it is going to show you all of the campaigns that will be running at the moment when you tap on it. So currently this campaign is ended, but when the new campaign comes, you are going to see the referral link of yours here over here. So you just have to simply tap on that referral link, and then you can basically share that link with your friends or family members, and whomever create the account and verify their identity and start basically using the application, you are and that person is going to basically get the reward. So that's how you can basically get your referral link. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.